An inverter is an essential component of any solar battery system. The inverter converts DC or direct current from the battery and solar panels into AC, alternating current, for powering household appliances. But not all solar inverters are the same. A grid direct inverter connects solar panels directly to the grid and does not have the capability to connect a battery to backed up loads. A battery-based inverter connects the grid, a generator, a battery, solar panels, and an isolated circuit breaker box. Battery inverters normally take energy from the battery and solar and convert it to AC power for use around the home. But it's important to know that inverters can also function as chargers, enabling batteries to be recharged from external power sources like generators or the grid. The inverter can charge the battery during the day from the solar panels and can charge at night from external power sources like the grid or a generator. All of this is controlled automatically, so the battery-based inverter is essentially the brains of an off-grid system. Edison offers a few simple steps to find an inverter that fits your power needs. Here are some steps you can follow to choose the right inverter for your off-grid system. Power requirements. Add up your total continuous power requirement to determine the kilowatt size of the inverter you need. Voltage. Inverters come in different voltage ratings, so make sure you choose the inverter that matches the voltage of your battery bank and solar array. Surge capacity. Some appliances, such as refrigerators and air conditioners, require a lot of power to start up. Make sure your inverter has enough surge capacity to handle these loads. Sine wave output. Inverters produce two types of wave outputs: pure sine wave and modified sine wave. Pure sine wave inverters produce clean electrical output that perfectly mimics the electrical grid. Appliances may not work well with modified sine wave inverters, so we recommend using a pure sine wave inverter. Efficiency and features. Look for an inverter with features like an LCD screen or remote monitoring if necessary. Iron Edison is happy to answer all your questions when it comes to finding the right inverter for your power needs. There's no question too small, and we are always happy to help. You can reach us online at ironedison.com or give us a call at 720-432-6433. We hope this was helpful, and we look forward to talking to you soon.